we will discuss the difficult words. So first of all, it is tiptoe. Tiptoe means on the tips of toes. So elephant moves with tiptoe steps or moving with tiptoe steps. That is the use of this word in a sentence. Trumpet means sound of an elephant. So let's use this word in a sentence. Elephants are trumpeting. Okay. Now the next word is sneak in, means come in quietly. Okay. So let's see the use of this word. He sneaked in under cover of darkness. Whipped means beat. The teacher often whipped the students. But nowadays the teacher can not whip the students since it is illegal. Strewn means spread all around. Let's see its use. Dead bodies strewed the ground. So these were the difficult words of the chapter. Now we will study the chapter in the form of comics. So I have told you this is the story of a 5 months old elephant, that baby elephant, that is named as Curry. So Curry the elephant was 5 months old, has given to me to take care of. So this elephant has been given to the author to take care. I was 9 years old and I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. Since writer was also very young, he was of 9 years old, so he could reach the elephant's back only when he stands on his tiptoe. Tiptoe means, I have told you, the tips of the toe. He seemed to remain that high for nearly 2 years. Means for nearly 2 years there was no change in the situation of the elephant. We grew together, and then time passes and slowly both of them grew. That is probably why I never found out just how tall he was, and that is why the writer could not understand that how Curry grew tall. He lived in a pavilion under a thatched roof which rested on thick tree stumps so that it would not fall in when Curry bumped against the poles as he moved about. Every day, so you can see where he used to live. Every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. So the elephants loves to take bath. You have seen in the news Discovery Channel, I think, I hope so. So the writer every morning used to take Curry to the river for his bath. He would lie down on the sandbank as I rubbed with him